What if I told you some of the craziest RC cars of 2026 are faster, tougher, and more insane than ever before? From monster trucks that crush dirt trails to high-speed beasts hitting unbelievable speeds today, we're counting down the top 13 RC cars on Amazon you need to see in 2026. Make sure to stay until the end, because the #1 RC car is absolutely next level. Let's get started. 13. DEERC 9206E High-Speed RC Truck. Kicking off our list is the DEERC 9206E, one of the best budget-friendly RC trucks on Amazon right now. And honestly, this thing delivers way more performance than most people expect for the price. The DEERC 9206E comes equipped with a powerful brushed motor setup capable of reaching speeds up to 48 kilometers per hour, which feels incredibly fast when you're driving through dirt paths, parking lots, or backyard tracks. One of the biggest advantages here is the dual battery system included in the package. That means longer driving sessions and less waiting around for recharge. The truck also features aggressive off-road tires with strong grip, allowing it to handle grass, gravel, dirt, sand, and pavement surprisingly well. Its shock absorption system helps keep the ride stable even during rough jumps and uneven terrain. 12. HAIBOXING 18859, a monster truck. Next up is the HAIBOXING 18859A, a compact monster truck with serious power packed into a smaller frame. Now, don't let the compact size fool you. The moment you hit the throttle, this RC truck launches forward with impressive acceleration and surprisingly aggressive speed. Thanks to its lightweight build and responsive handling, it feels incredibly fun to drive in tighter spaces like driveways, sidewalks, and backyard racing setups. One standout feature is the waterproof electronics system. That means puddles, mud, wet grass, and light rain won't instantly ruin the fun. For RC enthusiasts who love messy off-road action, this is a huge advantage. The suspension system also performs better than expected for a truck in this category. It absorbs bumps nicely and keeps the vehicle stable during quick turns and jumps. Plus, the independent suspension gives the truck better control over rough terrain. 11. WIAORCHI Brushless RC Car. If speed is your thing, the WIAORCHI Brushless RC Car deserves serious attention. This machine is designed for drivers who want stronger acceleration, smoother performance, and a more premium driving experience compared to basic brushed motor RC cars. Thanks to its high-performance brushless motor system, this RC car delivers explosive speed while maintaining excellent efficiency and stability. The acceleration feels incredibly aggressive, especially when launching from a standstill. You can instantly feel the difference between brushless and standard motor setups. It reacts faster, drives smoother, and handles high-speed runs with more confidence. But performance isn't the only thing that makes this RC car stand out. The body design looks absolutely incredible, with its low-profile racing stance, aerodynamic styling, and aggressive details. It genuinely feels like something straight out of a futuristic racing game. The tires provide strong grip during fast turns, while the suspension system helps maintain control during jumps and rough landings. It's built for both speed runs and off-road action, making it surprisingly versatile. 10. Bezgar HB161S Drift RC Car. Now let's slide into something stylish. The Bezgar HB161S Drift RC Car. Unlike traditional off-road monster trucks, this RC machine focuses on smooth, drifting, sharp cornering, and high-speed control on paved surfaces. And honestly, it's insanely fun. The HB161S is specifically designed for drifting enthusiasts who love controlled slides and fast directional changes. Whether you're driving through parking lots, smooth streets, or indoor spaces, this RC car delivers a super satisfying drifting experience. One of the coolest features here is the realistic body styling combined with bright LED lighting. During nighttime driving, the glowing lights make the car look incredibly premium and aggressive. The responsive steering system helps drivers maintain control while drifting through corners, and the lightweight design allows for smoother transitions during slides. Another thing that makes this model appealing is how beginner-friendly drifting becomes. Even if you've never owned a drift RC car before, the controls feel manageable after just a few minutes of practice. 9. ARRMA Granite 4x4 BLX ARRMA has built a reputation for making some of the toughest RC vehicles on the market, and the Granite 4x4 BLX proves exactly why. This truck is designed for pure bashing action. Huge jumps, rough landings, hard crashes, rocky terrain. The Granite handles it all like an absolute tank. The brushless power system gives this RC truck incredible acceleration and impressive top-end speed. But what really makes the Granite special is its durability. ARRMA engineered this machine to survive serious punishment. The chassis is strong, the suspension is heavy-duty, and the oversized tires provide excellent grip on dirt, gravel, grass, and rough off-road environments. Another impressive feature is the balance between power and control. Even though this truck is extremely fast, it still feels planted and stable during aggressive driving. The wheelie capability also adds a ton of fun. Under hard acceleration, the front tires can lift off the ground, creating that powerful monster truck feeling RC fans love. 8. Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL. The Traxxas Rustler is already legendary in the RC world, and the 4x4 VXL version takes things to another level. This RC machine combines insane brushless power, excellent handling, and professional-grade engineering into one incredibly fast package. The acceleration feels explosive. Once you squeeze the throttle, the Rustler launches forward with shocking speed, making it perfect for racing, speed runs, and aggressive off-road driving. Its four-wheel drive system provides strong traction on loose dirt, gravel, and rough terrain, helping maintain control even during high-speed cornering. Traxxas is also known for excellent build quality, and that reputation definitely shows here. The suspension system absorbs impacts smoothly, while the durable chassis helps protect the truck during crashes and jumps. Another major reason enthusiasts love the Rustler is upgrade potential. Many RC hobbyists customize these trucks with upgraded tires, batteries, motors, and suspension components to create even crazier performance builds. 7. Hosim Large-Scale RC Truck. Looking for something big? The Hosim Large-Scale RC Truck brings oversized power and aggressive off-road performance to the next level. The first thing you notice is the sheer size of this machine. Large-scale RC trucks simply feel more intense in person, and this model delivers that exciting, oversized presence immediately. The massive tires provide excellent grip on dirt, gravel, grass, sand, and rocky terrain, while the long-travel suspension system helps absorb rough impacts during jumps and uneven surfaces. The powerful motor setup gives this truck strong acceleration and enough torque to climb hills and power through obstacles with ease. Another major advantage of the larger-scale design is stability. Bigger RC trucks tend to feel more planted during aggressive driving, especially at higher speeds. 6. MJX Hyper Go H16BM. The MJX Hyper Go series exploded in popularity recently, and for good reason. The H16BM combines insane speed, brushless performance, and incredible value into one compact package. Many RC fans say this feels like a premium RC car at half the price. 5. Redcat Racing Volcano EPX. At number 5, we have the Redcat Racing Volcano EPX. This monster truck is built for durability and long-term fun. Its high ground clearance and aggressive tires make it perfect for dirt, gravel, grass, and even light snow. An excellent all-around RC vehicle for beginners and experienced drivers alike. 4. TENSSENX 110 Scale RC Truck. The TENSSENX 110 Scale truck delivers impressive speed and rugged design at a surprisingly affordable price. With full proportional controls and solid shock absorption, it feels smooth and responsive during high-speed driving. 3. Traxxas X-Max Ultimate. Now we're entering the monster category. The Traxxas X-Max Ultimate is huge, insanely powerful, and built like a tank. This RC giant can launch over ramps, smash through rough terrain, and reach jaw-dropping speeds while doing it. If you want one of the most extreme RC experiences possible, this is it. 2. ARRMA Granite 6SBLX. The ARRMA Granite 6SBLX is an absolute beast. With massive power, incredible suspension travel, and race-inspired engineering, this RC truck is designed for serious action. It's fast, aggressive, and incredibly durable, making it one of the best high-performance RC trucks available on Amazon in 2026. 1. Traxxas Sledge 4x4 Brushless Beast. And finally, the number one RC car you need to see in 2026, the Traxxas Sledge 4x4. This machine is pure insanity. Massive brushless power, incredible stability, extreme durability, and professional-grade handling all combine into one unstoppable RC monster. Whether you're launching off-ramps, racing through dirt tracks, or just showing off insane speed, the sledge delivers an experience that feels almost unreal. This is RC performance on another level. So, which RC car was your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe for more awesome tech and vehicle content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.